Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lexi. Please like, subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And today we're going to be making a homemade banana face mask. To make the face mask, you will need plain yogurt, some honey, you can tell we love it because it's nearly gone, a banana and a bowl. First thing you need to do is to peel your banana. Peel all of it. So you just have the banana left. So like that. Then when you've done that, you will have to mush it. To mash the banana, you will need to pop it in a bowl and you will need a fork to mush it. When it's mashed, it will need to look like this. Bananas are packed with ingredients for great skin. Vitamin A to fade dark spots and smooth out rough skin. Vitamin B to reduce dryness. And potassium to hydrate. Next, you will need to add 2 tablespoons of honey. It's not going in. Because it's so sticky, it's not going in. Get it. That's as much as we will get in there. 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt. It's wet. And 4. The best part now is to mix. It's time for the yucky part, adding it on my face. But the good thing is it will hydrate my skin and make it feel smooth as a baby's bottom. We got a quick shout out of the day, thanks to Honor, who gave me back these from Disneyland. Quick shout out to her. So yeah, let's do it again. It feels weird, it feels wonky. It feels so cold. It's so cold, it's so yucky. I feel so weird. I feel so disgusting. This feels cold. It's cold. Yummy. It actually is so yucky. Oh my god, this feels weird. Oh my god. Nearly went in my mouth. Gonna get some more of this gross looking. Look at it. Blech. Looks like it looks like that cheese. That weird cheese that you put in the like Slimming World food and stuff. It looks like that. The cottage cheese or whatever you call it. Oh, that's so cold! Weird. That's so good. Simba. This is so weird. Hopefully I don't get it in my baby hairs there. Yuck. It feels so cold. I look so funny. Just need to get this bit here. Now, yeah. That's the homemade banana face mask. Hopefully it goes well. Bye guys. Banana monster.